Welcome back. The FM, while taxing a few sectors, has given boost to some sectors. His proposal for the aviation and power sector should make life easy for both these sectors.
The government has done well for two major sectors that needed a leg up, aviation and power sectors. Cash-strapped companies in aviation and power have reason to cheer, with the government opening up the external commercial borrowing route to raise funds up to $1 billion for these sectors. The airline industry, which is facing financial crisis, has also been allowed to directly import aviation turbine fuel. But not everybody is happy, so it seems.
We speak on behalf of the business aviation industry. By and large, I think the budget has been very disappointing for us. We were looking for certain issues which needed to be tackled on an urgent basis, especially on the import duties for aircraft import. We find that has not been addressed. In fact, that has gone the other way. With the increase in the countervailing duty, the import duty has actually increased by about 2%, while we have been always fighting for a complete rollback on the import duty. So we are not happy with the budget which has been given for the aviation. See, ECBs are more for the commercial airlines than for business aviation, wherein they have allowed I think about $1 billion on an annual basis can be utilized by the ECB route. Again, the way the industry is ailing, we don't think that there would be any takers for actually giving this ECB to our airlines.